Hi, let's talk about our VS Code extension. So with our VS Code extension, you can generate and preview API documentations right inside VS Code. You don't need to sign in Theneo or publish changes. You can do it right from there. To get started, you can download our extension. We are available in the marketplace, so you can just search for Theneo, or you can find our URL in our main page, theneo.io. So after you're done with installing, you'll need to generate an API key. And in order to do that, you can go to your projects in the dashboard, click on user settings, and in API key, you'll find your API key that you can copy. If you do not see one, you can just simply click on generate a new API key and copy that. So let's go to our VS Code. So this is where you will copy and paste your API key in your project settings. So if you don't know, here in your extensions, you can click on extension settings and in Theneo, and you will be able to paste your key. Okay, now open any API spec that you have. That could be, like a Swagger file or any other type of files. And here you will see on the bottom, Theneo doc. So click on Theneo doc, and it will ask you to either preview or publish changes. So as you can see, we have two options, preview and publish. I'm going to click on preview so I can see how this spec will show up in Theneo before I make any changes. And here we go. Now on the right side, I have the exact replica, how it's going to show up in Theneo before I make any changes. And this is entirely interactive, similar to how it is in the published view or in Theneo in the web. So you will see everything interact. Let's say I want to use Python requests. I can see all the Python requests and I can change it right from here as well. This is actually going through some updates, but by the time you see this video, this might look slightly different just because we're releasing the latest version of VS Code. So this is how simple it is to generate and preview documents right from VS Code. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. Thank you.